SpraySync. Refit your needs. Plug it in and we track your weeds.
Hello, this is Jeremy Zare with SpraySync, and today I'm going to go over our integration with the Raven 4400. The Raven 4400 is a 7-boom switch system. It's got 7 switches there on the top and then a master on. I have a couple cables plugged into the Raven 4400. I've got the console cable that goes in the back, and what you see here that's this part right here is the product table. So this is typically where you have the boom, the different boom power for the valves and the signal for the valves that are going to open and close. What we do with our integration is that we built a wiring harness that can go right between the end of the console cable and the what they call the product cable. This cable right here is a wiring harness that we build that uses the same connectors as the Raven 4400. It allows it to fit right in line with the product cable to the console cable connection. It's a 16-pin kind of twist-on connection. And the other end, we tap into some of those wires on the signals, the 7 switches, and it comes out, and then the other end goes into the SpraySync monitor box. To install the SpraySync wiring harness into the 4400, there is this connection right here. Twist that, open it up. This end goes right in here in the same manner. So there, the one end is connected. You just take the other end and go down here. So everything still remains connected. We're just kind of tapping in, and we have a little foot-long extension there that kind of goes in line. So real easy, no splicing of any wires needed. That wiring harness comes to you as a part of the installation process. The other end of the cable will go into the SpraySync monitor box. I probably forgot to mention that you should make sure that you turn the power off at the Raven 4400 console before you do any of the installation. Now I'm going to go ahead and power the Raven 4400 back up and show how this can work and how it tracks. All right, so now I'm going to show how we track it with the app. So, but ahead of time, there's a little tractor icon in the upper right, and you can click on that. I set up the Raven 4400 there. And so this is a one-time setup. Basically, you set it up either through the app or on the website, and then this is available out on the tablet. I'll go on the left, upper left menu to the vehicle switch config. And what I have here is I have a mapping for each one of the switches. So I have switches 1 through 7, and I have them mapped here that says each one, just for theoretical, just for demonstration here, is 10 feet wide. So I have the first switch 30 feet off to the left, all the way to 20 feet off to the left. And that's the negative means off to the left, positive numbers mean off to the right. So I have 10 foot, and then kind of, so everything is kind of, it's not overlapping, it's all like a continuous range. So like one is minus 30 to minus 20, minus 20 to 10. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way from spraying off to the left 30 feet and all the way in 10-foot increments off spraying to the right 40 feet. So you'll see each one will have around a 10-foot swath. Now I'll go ahead and show what it looks like when we spray. So I'll go ahead and I'll turn the master on. And I have all the switches off right now, so nothing shows, but I'll switch 1 on. It'll show 30 feet off to the left to 20 feet off to the left. And I'll throw switch 2 on, and then switch 3 on. And then now I'm going to turn the master off, which will turn all 3 off at the same time. Now I'll go ahead, I'll toggle the master back on. So switches 1, 2, and 3 are still on, so they'll show up here. And now I'll start going ahead, I'll do switch 4, and switch 5, and switch 6, and switch 7. And then, I'll go ahead and toggle the master off right now. So with the SpraySync system and Raven 4400, you've got a pretty good pair of very simple to install system to work with your 4400 with its rate control system. Very well calibrated, so it makes it easy. Within the application, we define the ounces per acre flow rate, and then so with us tracking then each boom switch and the width of it, we can have your chemicals that you use within the application and track all of the different switches that you have on, so you don't have to change at all how you use your system. Right now it's it's really a monitor only thing, so you set that up, the tablet would set in your vehicle up kind of next to the console somewhere, so you'd be able to see it and get that live feedback. So anyways, thanks for watching.